Hello everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Welcome to my channel. I have a small unboxing for you. Actually, I've had this for quite a while, actually before Christmas I do believe, and I opened it and forgot to share it with you guys, so I wanted to share it now with you. So this was an Instagram prize that I won from Jess.mcafee. It's that's how it looks on Instagram. jess.mcafee is her name on Instagram, and I had won from I believe it was $25 from Simon Says Stamp, and then also they had sent me the $5 off any purchase. So anyway, how the $25 off work was sent to me in an email, and somehow it had gotten deleted and everything, and so she had ended up re-sending it to me and all. So but this was about to expire, so I had to go ahead and use this before I could even get in touch with her about the code. So I had to do two purchases. I just went ahead and purchased some stuff and used this, and then did another purchase. So that's why I've got two envelopes here. So anyway, so the first order, I thought I had done this, and apparently I didn't. But the first order, what I had purchased, and one of the things I had purchased, I ended up purchasing wrong. And I'll show you. I thought I had purchased clear gesso, and it was white gesso. So I had wanted to clear and contacted them, and so they had told me that they didn't do exchanges, I think it was. So I thought, well, I'll just have to use the $25 gift certificate to get me some more, and I'll just keep the white. It's just easier that way. So I can always use it. So it was not that big of a deal. And I like how they always send you the little thank you. And so I got this, it's from Your Next Stamp, which I don't think I've ever used any of their stamps before. But it says Joyful Greeting, and I thought it was really cute. It'll be fun to color, and I'll have this for next Christmas. I was going to use it this year, and didn't get a chance to. So, and then I've got this adhesive eraser. Always wanted one of these, so I've seen some other crafters use them and talk about them on YouTube, so I thought I'd get one of those. And then I've heard about these quickie glue pens, so I thought I would give one of these a try. It wasn't very much, so yeah, I got that too. So, and the stamp wasn't very much either. So the most thing that cost me really was this. So, but then like I said, I got $5 off of that purchase. So that was the first shipment. Then what I had used for the $25 gift certificate was this stuff here. And of course, this is what cost the most, was the clear gesso from Dino Wagley. And I have some clear gesso, but it's very gritty and all, and I need something more smoother for my Bible journaling. I don't like how gritty it is, so I've heard that the Dina Wakley is much smoother, so that's why I was wanting this. So I'm hoping this works better, because I've seen many people use that in their Bible journaling. And then I got a few stamps, and of course they send another little thank you, appreciation for, you know, the package. And I thought this was cute. Don't worry, be happy. That's so cute. Let's see, here's one. Let's say, owl I want for Christmas is you. Get an owl. And I was so upset I didn't use this. Season's greetings. But you know, these little images you can use for other things. Some of them. And here's a birthday one. It's your birthday. Smile. I love the little cake. That is so cute. So some of these I can use for different things. Like I can use that car and the presents, you know, for, and the little hearts. I say I can use that hearts in the car for Valentine's coming up. The presents I can use for birthday. Of course, that's for birthday. Let's see, the owl I could probably use for, you know, just something else. It's not necessarily just for Christmas. And of course, a donut you can use for just about anything. So anyway, that's what I was trying to pick, things that I could use, you know, especially the images used for other things, so I wasn't stuck with just what it was saying, so I could mix and match my stamps since I am limited on funds. That's the way I work. That's just the way I roll, as they say. So anyway, that is what I got, and just wanted to share that with you because I thought I had done that, and I saw it sitting here in the package still, sitting by my bed, and I thought, well, did I not ever show that? And I was looking back through my videos, and I thought, no, I don't think I ever did. And I don't even think I shared it on Instagram, so I've still got to do that too. So yeah, I thought I'd do that real quick. So just wanted to do a quick video on that and let y'all see what I did get, and give a shout out to sweet young lady that had I had won the $25 gift card from, jess.mcafee, I believe is how you say her name, and say thank you to her, because this has been a while back now. So I believe that's the last one I've won lately. I've been trying to win some others, haven't won any lately, but been doing some tagging. So yeah, just wanted to say thank you, and y'all can see better images on my Instagram. I still have some photos to put up on some other videos I haven't had a chance to do yet, but you know, just keep a look at on my Instagram, and you'll see, you know, what I upload on there. So thank you for watching. Y'all please share, please comment, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And I thank you for watching, and y'all have a blessed day. I'll say bye-bye, Yella. Is she not so cute? Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye now.